Guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voices on CapCut PC. Let's get into it. You can see on our CapCut timeline, we have an audio file and a video file with sound. We can change the sound of the audio file and also modify the sound of the video with audio. First, I will show you how to alter the sound in a video. Mute the audio track. Click on our video like this and then go to the audio menu. If we want to change our voice, we need to use a voice changer. Click on voice changer and here we can see voice filters, voice characters, singing voices 3 categories. Now let's first play and listen to the original voice. Hello everybody in this video. Then click to preview the changed voice.
Hello everybody in this video. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody in this Hello everybody in this Select the desired voice apply. We can apply multiple categories of voices simultaneously.
Hello everybody in this video. Hello everybody in this video.
If you want to revert to the original voice, for each category, click on Original. Hello everybody in this video. Next, I'll show you how to apply or change our voice on the audio. Mute the video track. Simply tap on the audio and then go to the voice changer. Select the voice changer that you want to apply to your audio.
Hello guys, in this tutorial,
Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voices on CapCut PC. Let's get into it. Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you change. Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voices on CapCut PC. Let's get into it.
That's it. It's that simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voices on CapCut PC. Let's get into it.